Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. So for today I have an exciting video for you guys. I'm testing the Super Clean product. I'm gonna test it outdoors and as well as indoors, and you guys will see this product is really amazing. I was happy that they reached out to me because I get to try a new product that I'm loving. This video is technically not sponsored, but they did send me this product for free, and I would like to say that this product is biodegradable, phosphate and bleach free, but it cleans super fast and super easy, which is amazing. And if you guys want to clean around your home on more sensitive areas, you can dilute it with water, and it comes with the instructions so you could see how much water you need to use for the product that you have. This is the strongest multi-purpose cleaner degreaser, and it's available at retail stores. So here you guys, I'm just cleaning the rims and also the wheels. And look at all that dirt. Okay, as you guys could see, there's rust on these stairs. So let's try to see if it'll remove rust. Look at this, I'm impressed. No more rust. Wow. I'm really impressed, you guys. This did a really great job. So I should go ahead and do all the rest of the steps, actually. That would be a good idea. Okay, you guys, so over here we have some scuff marks, and this is from my elliptical that I moved into the other room, and I put my desk here, and I'm going to try to take these out, and we're going to see together the final result. So as you can see, you guys, this did a great job. I have a lot of trouble taking off scuff marks from these tiles, but this did an amazing job. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and spray some on the grout, and you guys see how dirty that is, and we're gonna see the final results together. guys, I'm not even scrubbing hard and it's doing wonders. Okay, you guys, so this was the before. Look how black that is. And then the after. And the camera is not even doing it justice. Like, it's in real life, it's even lighter than that. Okay, you guys, so it's time to move on to the stove. And as you could see, the glass is a little bit dirty. And then we have dirt over there on the sides. And I normally like to keep a aluminum foil inside the stove. Right now, I'm just going to take that off. And I'm going to show you guys the before and the after. You guys, I love using a product that doesn't require a lot of scrubbing. You guys, I was so embarrassed to show my patio door. I haven't cleaned it in over 3 years since my mom got sick with cancer. And so today I'm tackling this with the Super Clean spray and we're gonna see the results in a little bit. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just spraying that and then I'll show you guys a little hack in the next clip where you could take a sponge and cut it with a knife where the lines are of the patio door. I'm not sure if I'm explaining that right, but I'll show you guys how I did that. I saw this hack many years ago. I don't remember where, but it works wonders. So I'll let you guys see that. Okay guys, so as you could tell, the little corners, I didn't do them very well because I needed a pointier knife. So eventually I'm gonna have to go back and do that because the knife that I had wasn't pointy enough. But the end result, you guys, was amazing. Okay you guys, so these are my bathroom tiles, and if you could see over here, there's like these yellow marks. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and clean that. Okay guys, so we're approaching the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed filming it. So please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and let me know how you like this product. And you guys, please don't forget to check out the links for this product, the Super Clean product. They will be all down below in my description box. And until then, you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!